Hello, in front of me I have Apple Watch Series 8 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the water lag mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons or by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the controls menu. Now, scroll through this menu and find the water lag mode icon. It looks like this, like the water droplet. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. You will see that the icon of the droplet icon will appear on the watch face. And once you try to use the touchscreen, it will be locked. You won't be able to use it. That's how the water lag mode works. Basically, it disables the touchscreen, so you can, for example, take a shower with your watch on or swim with your watch on, and it will prevent the mistouches rather on the screen. And to disable the water lag mode, simply press and hold the crown button and keep holding it until you see this message. As you can see, the icon disappeared, and when you open the controls menu, it changed the color to the gray. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the water lag mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.